Hey guys, Double Wide Six, and we're making history here. I'm working on creating what I was calling a blog yesterday, but we had some friends over, and they informed me that if you're making this content in a video format, it's called a vlog. So this is going to be my first vlog, and I'm pretty excited about this. I tried to do an online, like a live stream, just on a whim to kind of like make my kids happy because they were bugging me to do it. And there was a lot of energy and excitement with that. It was kind of neat. But, I don't know if I can commit to that every week as I have a busy schedule like everyone else. So, anyhow, I wanted to talk to you guys about what this vlog's going to be and what types of things I'm going to discuss. I don't know if I'm going to make one episode and end 10 episodes or I'll be doing it for the next 15 years. I'm not sure. We're going to have to see where this takes us, and there's only one way to find out, and that is to get started. So, as I said, we're making history here. And the idea of this blog is the vlog is to see me in a more candid way where when I'm always in my garage, I'm filming repairs, I'm dealing with elements that aren't always going as planned. Perhaps I'm dealing with a screw that's stripped, or I'm looking to remove a nut and I can't find my wrench. And it's those little distractions like that that make it difficult to just roll the camera and film. I like Musty One's videos because he'll just set the camera and he'll do a project for an hour and 10 minutes straight, whatever it takes. And the good thing for him is he has a killer audience of like probably 350,000 subscribers. So there's people that are watching his video, where if I just go real slow and all the little nuances that trouble me and plague me throughout my project and didn't edit anything, I don't think people would actually follow the video. I've also come to the point where I have over 500 videos. YouTube used to very easily tell you how many videos you have up. I'm not even sure now that they changed the format exactly how many videos I have. And I tend to have more quantity than quality in my library. So I don't know if I should continue making videos. So what I was thinking with this vlog would be that I would be able to spend less time in the garage and a little more time reaching out, answering questions, and meeting with my audience. The advantage to me, as far as this goes, this format, I don't need to get changed into old clothes. I don't have to go out and heat up the garage. And I can just, come down in my basement where it's quiet, when the kids aren't bugging me, and I can talk to you guys. So that's the whole idea. And you guys are really going to have to let me know down in the comments what type of content you want from me, because I was thinking that I would try and answer your questions. So if you want to know something about lawnmowers or zero turns, I can try and answer that for you. Or if you have a topic you want to talk about, like which oil's best, I can give you my opinions on these things. So I just thought this would be a nice way to reach out to you guys and be able to be more candid, as I said. So that's the idea with this vlog. And for today, I wanted to hang on. I lost my light here. I have a light sensor back here and the light went off, so I've adjusted that. But the topic for today's vlog that I just wanted to cover is, how did I actually get into small engines? And like a lot of people on YouTube, they either worked in a small engine shop or went to school and got trained, where I kind of figured out most of this stuff on my own. I went to college, I got a degree in manufacturing, and also picked up an education degree, and I got a master's in education. A lot of my friends work as manufacturing engineers and teachers as well. And I've always kind of had an interest in working with my hands from a very young age. I remember working on some projects in the garage with both my grandfather and my father. And as a kid, I was always interested in that stuff. And as I grew into adulthood and had a little more time, I started working on lawnmowers, just kind of putzing around with them to figure out what was wrong. And I got into some chainsaws, and I spent a lot of time just trying to figure out how these things worked and how to fix them. And I got several books. This was before everything was on the internet. One of the first really inspiring videos that I found on YouTube, believe it or not, and some of you may or may not know who this is, was David's Farm. I started watching those videos, and that was probably in like 2010. He was like one of the only people that had any information on YouTube on small engine repair. And I thought it was so cool to watch these videos. And, I just kept picking up equipment to work on, and really kind of turned a hobby into a little bit of a side hustle for me. So I own a small engine shop here where I keep pretty busy. I get a lot of return customers and equipment and landscapers and bringing in snow blowers, generators. The yards in my area are at least an acre in size, so I primarily specialize in tractors. I have to pick up equipment, so I have a truck with the lift gate for snow blowers and generators, because there's really nothing like trying to lift a 10 horsepower snow blower into the back of your truck or push it up ramps where I'm not strong enough to do it. And I've already had this happen where the gentleman that needs their snowblower fixed is like a 77-year-old guy that isn't much help trying to move a snowblower with both flat tires up a ramp. So I put a lift gate on my truck. I have a trailer that I use for most of tractors and zero turns. And I started my business here probably about 3 years ago. And I'm still learning a lot. I enjoy doing it. I work full time and I do my business stuff 1 or 2 days after work, and it's becoming a 2 day weekend job. But I do enjoy it, and I also enjoy reaching out to you guys with these videos. So that's a story about me. You're going to have to let me know what you thought of this blog. And, like I said, I don't smell like a small engine now. I don't have to go shower or change. And I feel like I'm reaching out and I can contact with you guys through this type of format. So you definitely have to let me know down in the comments if this is something that you're interested in or not, and what questions or anything you want to know or topics that we want to talk about, whether it's tools or small engine questions and even woodworking. I work on a lot of different stuff, as you guys know from the videos. So you'll have to let me know what you think, and we'll see if there's another blog coming up. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.